When you search for foldable pool tables, everything looks the same. Same styles, same claims, even similar prices. But to understand what actually works and what's worth your money, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, heavy-duty leatherette cover. First up is the heavy-duty leatherette billiard pool table cover by Bear Cover, priced at $54.53. What caught my attention? It's a solid choice for protecting your investment, especially if you have pets or kids around. If you want to keep your pool table looking pristine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cover is made from heavy-duty leatherette, meaning it's not just water-resistant but also stain-proof and puncture-proof. If you've ever had a drink spill or a scratch from a playful pet, you'll appreciate how easy it is to clean. Measuring at 100 inches long and 56 inches wide, it fits most 8-foot tables perfectly. Plus, with over 500 sold in just the last month, it seems to be a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the cover being a bit slippery when placed on the table. Here's the thing though, as long as you secure it properly with the elastic closure, it's not a deal breaker. If you're looking for a stylish cover that protects against the elements, this one is still a great buy. This is perfect for you if you have a larger pool table and want a durable cover that looks good. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easily portable. For the price, it's a solid value for protecting your table. Now, if the price of the cover felt steep, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, 7 feet leatherette cover. Next is another option from Bear Cover, this time their 7 feet leatherette billiard pool table cover for $50.72. This caught my eye for its durable design at a slightly lower price point. If you have a smaller table and want protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This cover is also made of heavy-duty leatherette, which means it's waterproof and stain-proof, just like its larger counterpart. Measuring 92 inches by 52 inches, it's tailored for standard 7-foot tables, making it a fit for most homes. Plus, it's designed with a high-density cotton backing and weighted corners for better durability and a snug fit. That's really important if you want it to stay put during windy days or playful moments. However, some users have pointed out that the pull-on closure can be a bit challenging to secure tightly. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's not a huge issue. If you're cautious about the weather or just want to keep dust off your table, this cover holds up pretty well. This is perfect for you if you have a standard 7-foot table and need a solid, reliable cover. Skip this one if you prefer a more adjustable or elastic fit. For the quality, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for family fun. Product number 3, mini pool table for family fun. Now we're looking at the mini pool table wooden billiards tabletop game by Kinexixi for $40.58. This one caught my attention because it's perfect for family game nights. If you want something portable and fun for all ages, this is worth a serious look. This tabletop game is designed for 2-4 players and comes with all the accessories you need for a complete billiards experience. It's a compact 19 inches long and 11.8 inches wide, making it easy to set up anywhere, whether it's on the dining table or during a picnic. The engineered wood material is sturdy enough to handle some rough play, which is great if you have kids or pets around. But here's the catch. Some users mention the balls are a bit small and can be easy to lose. However, I'll be real with you, this can also lead to creative gameplay that keeps things interesting. Plus, it's a fantastic gift option for families looking to bond over games without screens. This is perfect for you if you want a fun activity to enjoy with family or even your cat, as they'll love swatting the balls around. Skip this one if you're looking for a serious billiards experience. It's a fun investment for family entertainment. Now, if you're into smaller, cuter setups, the next one might just be right up your alley. Product number 4, mini pool table for kids. Next is the mini pool table for kids by Hora de Lima, priced at $41.84. This little gem is designed for kids, making it a perfect gift for birthdays or just a fun activity at home. If you're looking to introduce kids to billiards in a playful way, this is worth a serious look. This mini table measures 14 inches by 9.8 inches and is made from high-quality MDF, making it sturdy enough for young players. It includes 16 balls and all the accessories needed to mimic a real pool game, which can help sharpen hand-eye coordination. Plus, it's lightweight, so your kids can easily set it up anywhere from the living room to the backyard. However, some parents have noted that it might be a bit too small for older kids or adults to enjoy fully. But here's the thing, it's specifically designed for younger players, so it's perfect for introducing the game at an early age without overwhelming them. This is perfect for you if you're a parent wanting to spark a love for games in your kids. Skip this one if you're looking for something for larger gatherings or older kids. It's a fun way to get kids off screens and engaged in physical play. Alright, that was a great option. But if you're looking for something even more portable, check out this last one. Product number 5, Portable Mini Pool Table Set. Finally, we have the Mini Pool Table Set by Hyobin, priced at just $16.48. This caught my eye for its unbeatable portability. If you want something you can take anywhere, this is worth a serious look. This mini table measures only 10.83 inches long and 7.56 inches wide, making it incredibly easy to pack up and take on trips. It includes 2 cue sticks, 16 balls, and a rack, which means you have everything you need to play right out of the box. The plastic material is lightweight, and the felt surface mimics that of larger tables, so you can still practice your skills anywhere. Now, some users found that the small size can make it a bit challenging to play for more serious billiards fans. But honestly, it's not meant to replace a full-size table. It's just a fun way to kill time while traveling or enjoying a picnic. This is perfect for you if you want a super affordable and portable mini pool table for casual play. Skip this one if you're looking for a serious gaming experience. For the price, it's definitely worth adding to your collection. So to wrap it all up, we've covered everything from durable covers to fun mini tables. Each option has its strengths and caters to different needs. Whether you're protecting your investment or looking for family fun, there's something here for everyone. To wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 great options, from Bear Cover's heavy-duty pool covers to fun mini tables from Kinexixi and Hyobin. Each has its unique benefits, whether you're protecting your table or just looking for something fun to do with family and friends. So which one are you leaning toward? Let me know in the comments.